hello, Mika. Good afternoon to you. Always bright and beautiful. Ayan, hello. An amazing color there. Choice, pastel, no? Mika, here, we have a mic for you. Anything that you'd like to say to everybody here, your supporters, the media, of course, being the newest endorser of J-Spray.
Hello po, good afternoon po, good morning po. Alam ko po, maulan ngayon and health is wealth and kailangan po natin prioritize yung mga health nyo. Pero salamat po na pumunta po kayo ngayong umaga dito. At syempre, sobrang excited ko po makipagkwentuhan sa inyo. At sobrang excited ko din po as a newest ambassador ng J-Spray. Thanks so much po!
Ayan, I'm sure gusto pa natin magkwentuhan kasi parang tayo pa rin gusto sabihin sa isa't isa yung interview. But before we get to the interview, I think we should go to a very important ceremonial process here sa ating harapan. No? Let's formally seal the deal and proceed with our contract signing. They look all great, by the way. Please take your seats, and I'll be directing you guys at this point for our photo op, of course, for the videos, courtesy of our members of the media. Please, hands on the pen, and please open your folders so we can pose and smile directly to your front. Yan po, pakibuksan po ang ating mga folder and hold the pen with your right hand. Yan, and smile to our cameras. Thank you so much.
And one more here. Sorry. Kaliwa, wala po. Yan, salamat. Okay na yun. Okay, eyes here. Okay, 1, 2, one more.
Alright, now to everybody, please naman look to your left. So some of the pictures here, yung people in the left. Ay, sige, go.
One more here, Spencer, please. Okay, 1, 2. One more, 1, 2.
And okay.
Alright.
Dito naman po tayo sa left para maganda yung coverage natin here. Yeah, we have a video here and photo as well. Thank you so much. Alright, and finally here to our right, we have some members of our media and press. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, the people here in front will be officially signing the contract. Please go ahead and take it away. Please do sign our contracts. Well, we have representatives from Aguila, Sparkle Entertainment, and of course we even have people here. Oh, Mika is very excited right now as she signed her endorsement deal with J-Spray. But of course, again, we recommend everyone to take photos, take videos, and don't forget to use our official hashtag for this event, hashtag JSprayYourWay with Mika. Alright, I believe that everybody has signed their folders. Please, let's all give them a round of applause for this milestone in their career. Please close your folders and look directly to the front for another photo op. Thank you so much.
Okay, 1, 2. One more.
Alright, we can look here to the left as well. We have another video coverage here with the photo op as well. Alright, thank you. And finally here to our members of our media and press to your right. Thank you. At this point, we request everyone to please stand up for another photo with everyone here. In the middle, of course, please. Beautiful flowers that really complement the beauty of our endorser, Mika Salamanca, with J-Spray.
One more.
This here, everybody holding a bottle right there.
Okay, here.
So let me invite her here as well, the one and only, the lovely Miss Kim. Hello, Miss Kim. Please join us here as well. Dito na lang daw. Dito na lang. Dito kami, Miss Kim.
Miss Kim, tabihan mo.
Alam mo, Miss Kim?
Sige na, Miss Kim.
Miss Kim, ang ganda-ganda mo, Miss Kim.
Di ba, sobrang ganda ng Miss Kim.
Kami po kayo ni Mika. Ayan, sige. Parang ano na to, naging talk show na po to ngayon. Hindi po, wag po kayo matakot, Miss Kim. Okay, first of all, could you please talk about the brand, particularly J-Spray fragrances, more?
Actually, 8 years na siya sa market.
Sorry.
Yung J-Spray, 8 years na siya sa market existing. Meron din kaming online stores, tapos mga grocery stations available din siya.
Alright. So, can you talk us through, kasi binasa ko kanina yung mga names ng kanilang perfume fragrances, am I correct? So, the aquatic, we have this, we have that. Can you walk us through, how do you decide the name of the fragrances that that you use? How do you come up with these creative names as well? And even yung amoy ng fragrances na ginagamit nyo. Kasi kanina, we were spraying backstage kanina. Sabi ko, ano kayang bagay dito sa amin? Kasi sinasabi ni Mika to. Parang iba-iba talaga yung scents nyo eh. So how do you come up with the products, with the scents, with the names?
Actually, yung team namin, nag-come up with the names based siya sa mga parang inspired sa mga tao na meet mo everyday. Like, for example, yung husband ko, pag na-amin siya, very Prince Charming. Ganun.
Ikaw, what about you, Skip? Kung ano yung feeling nyo, ano yung amoy mo? Kung meron ka sa 17 fragrances, ano ka?
Favorite kasi Love Fantasy.
Love Fantasy.
Kilig-kilig.
Kilig-kilig. Si Mika, kung bibigyan mo siya ng particular na perfume scent, ano siya? Sa 17 na yun. Tingin mo ano siya?
Si Mika, she's the one.
She's the one. Okay. Ikaw, Mika, for the brand, no? They are welcoming you into their family. Tingin mo sa 17 fragrances na yan, I can give you a list here.
At syempre yung favorite.
Ano favorite mo?
Like, dalawa kasi yung pinaka-favorite ko na nilalayer ko siya. Pero siguro yung brand, ang ibibigay ko sa kanila yung I Do.
I
Diba?
do. Kasi commitment.
Oh, it's a commitment. At saka ang tagal nila. Imagine 8 years, wala sila nakukuha na endorser or like something. 8 years na po ako hinanap. I do. Kaya yun yung mabibigay ko talaga na scent para sa brand na to, I do.
Alright, now speaking of scents, sige, let's go with you again, Ms. Kim. Ano po yung top 2 na bestsellers nyo, sige, for men and women na lang, yan. Bestsellers yun na fragrances, so that, of course, the press here can write about it, even the people at the back can tweet about it. What are your top 2 fragrances, and why do you think so?
Yung for girls is Admire and Young. And for men, it's Rockstar and Boy Next Door.
Rockstar and Boy Next Door. Ikaw, Mika, meron ka bang parang tao sa buhay mo na parang rockstar or Boy Next Door?
Meron. Actually, yung rockstar, Boy Next Door na lang muna. Nakakatawa kasi nung first time ko na-spray, kasi syempre pinadalan muna nila kami bago I do. Pinadalan muna kami, kailangan ko muna maamoy yung mga product. Nung na-spray ko yung Boy Next Door, girl, para akong binalik sa nakaraan.
Sa nakaraan?
Oo, kasi alam niyo yung mga moments pag high school kayo, tapos may crush kayo. Eh, ganun ako pag high school, may crush talaga. Tapos kaamoy talaga niya, Miss Kim! Kaamoy talaga ng crush ko. Eh ako bida-bida eh. Pagka may crush ako, kung ano yung amoy niya, aalamin ko, tapos gusto ko ganun din yung amoy ko. Para like, pagka nagkasama kami, sabi niya, oh, we have the same scent. Sabihin ko, meant to be. So ako, ginagaya ko yung scent lagi ng mga crush ko. Ay, hindi, crush lang pala. Isa lang pala yun. Pero yun, kaya naalala ko yung high school days ko nung sa Boy Next Door.
So what about the rockstar? Alam mo, feeling ko may sagot ka sa rockstar eh. Hindi, may sagot siya sa rockstar. Yung rockstar niya actually, yung kayo kasi, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, lahat po ng mga Mika stands sa likod, meron silang particular na favorite for social media. And I believe he really is a rockstar for helping Mika manage the chaos and the amazing beauty of her career right now. We have actually a rockstar right here.
Yeah.
Yung manager niya.
Yeah.
Rockstar yan.
Medyo kinabahan ko.
Hindi ko gagawin sa'yo. Bawal ako
Hindi, meron talaga ako naalala sa Rockstar. Kasi yung set niya in particular is very like manly, very aalagaan ka, which is my dad. Naalala ko talaga yung dad ko sa Rockstar. Totoo naman, naalala ko talaga yung dad ko dun sa Rockstar na pabango. Kala niyo sino sa
Alright. Ang ganda ng build-up na lang. Okay, in all seriousness though, how do you take care of brands like this? What's your considerations in terms of accepting brands that you want to work with?
Ako, syempre, ako masaya ako na may mga brands talaga na lalapit sa'yo at magtitiwala. Like, magtitiwala sa'yo, di ba? Kasi, at ibig sabihin, may tiwala sila sa kung anong kaya mo magawa para sa brand, kung ano yung values mo sa buhay, yun talaga pinaka-importante sa akin. And kami ni Miss Kim, bukod sa, di naman kami agad-agad nag-usap ng trabaho agad eh. Kami ni Miss Kim, nag-usap muna kami niya na parang, chika-chika, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos syempre malalaman mo yung values nila, even ng brand. Ako, isa sa mga pinaka-consider ko talaga pagka I work with the brand is, values talaga. Like, hindi naman siya parang kailangan itinutulungan ko, tulungan mo, pero it's a plus point talaga. And they have it dito sa J-Spray. Yung
Ayan.
heart talaga.